The PJ Patterson Highway in Maypen, Clarendon, about 600 meters east of the Maypen toll booth, was the scene of a fatal accident where a policeman was killed. Approximately 5:15 a.m. on Thursday, the 22nd of February 2018, Constable Anthony Carl Bailey, age 30, badge number 13407, attached to the St. Catherine South Division, was killed in a motor vehicle accident.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Constable Bailey was driving his blue Toyota Corolla motor vehicle with registration number 7645GZ along the PJ Patterson Highway when he lost control of the vehicle, which hit the left embankment and overturned. Constable Bailey was thrown from his vehicle and was run over by other passing motor vehicles, which dragged him for another 10 meters. His head was severed from his body. 3 magazines containing a total of 33 rounds were found at the scene. The police are searching for his missing firearm. The Jamaica Constabulary Force is saddened over the death of Constable Bailey. Acting Commissioner of Police Clifford Blake has offered condolences to the family, friends and colleagues of Constable Anthony Bailey. In a news release, Blake expressed a deep sense of loss at the untimely passing of Bailey and stated that this unfortunate incident has left us all mourning. Blake said the J-Safe Chaplaincy Unit and the Community Safety and Security Branch have been directed to provide support to the family and colleagues of the late Constable.
You know, it's Teach Them, the #1 intellectual blogging panel on the YouTube channel.
30 years old, peeps, young, very young man. Another one of the warriors would have been taken from us, and it is never a good time to lose someone, but especially considering the state that the country is in and that we need every single police officer available to help bring stability to the country in terms of the crime rate. We would have lost another one, and I want to take the opportunity to say condolences to the friends, family and colleagues of Constable Bailey, and I want also to take this opportunity to encourage all pedestrians, all motorists, all the persons who use the roadways in this country to be very alert, to use the roads in accordance to the Road Traffic Act and obey all speed limits and signs on the road, because you need to understand that the next life that you may be saving is yours. So my friends, please take heed and take the lead to cut your speed and try as best as possible to arrive alive.
Like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button. Hey yo, we always up to something.
This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.